Perfect ceviche is not about drowning fish in lime. It's about precision, the cut, the acidity, the time. Mexican-style ceviche has everything. Heat from jalapeno, sweetness from tomatoes, sharpness from onions. Hola, hola. Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Hi, Andrew. How are you?
Muy bien.
Hi, guys. Welcome to our kitchen. I'm Carolister. This is Andrew. Today, we are making ceviche. What kind of ceviche?
Tilapia ceviche.
Tilapia ceviche. And tostadas. We are making our homemade tortillas, and we're going to fry in avocado oil, and we're making the tostadas. This is a Mexican style ceviche, and I guarantee you guys, if you make this at home, you will love this recipe, and you feel like you are just laying down in a beach down in Mexico. So how about we start right now? In ceviche, freshness isn't important. It's everything. We are going to cut the tilapia, and we're going to cut it in small pieces. And it's up to you, how big do you want. But it's better if you cut in small pieces and we put it in with the lime juice. Why do you think it's better than lime juice than lemon juice, Andrew?
It's because lime juice's flavors are more aromatic while lemons are more sweet, so it pairs better with Latin ingredients, and the acidity in limes is better suited for denaturing the protein in the fish.
And the other question that a lot of people ask is for how long you have to leave the fish. So in this case, because we're using tilapia, it's a thin fish, so it's around 20-25 minutes. And while I'm cutting the fish, Andrew is going to make the tortillas. In our previous video, we teach you step by step how to make corn tortillas at home. It's really easy. Just use the flour masa, corn masa, maseca, whatever you can find, and it's 2 cups and 1.5 cup of filtered water. Mix it really good, and you start making tortillas. I'm using 2 pounds of tilapia. Find a fish that is fresh, like sushi quality. We have the lime juice ready. Now we're going to do the cooking method. We're going to
denature the fish.
If you're using different fish, check what is the time to let in with the lime juice, because tilapia, because it's a small fish, it's faster. But if you're using catfish or if you're using cod, it's better if you look how long, because I don't know how long is with different fishes.
Not good.
Peel the cucumber. I like to take the seeds out of the cucumbers when I'm doing the ceviche. Just like this.
Yeah.
The same spoon I use for the cucumbers. You can take, if you can handle heat, you can use regular peppers, just like bell pepper. But we're using, I like the jalapeno. If you take the seeds out and the veins out, well, it's not really spicy.
Hot peppers.
Okay, for some reason, the other.
After 25 minutes, you can see how the fish changed color. Now it's white. Oh, little pink white. And that means it's ready. And we're going to put everything together. We have the cucumber, red onion, tomato, jalapeno, and cilantro already chopped. We're going to drain the fish first, taking the juice. Not all of them, because we want a little bit of the flavor with the lime. But you don't want all the lime juice because it's keeping cooking. And it's exactly where we need to stop right now.
Okay.
We are making tostadas, which is just fried corn tortillas. We are using avocado oil because seed oils have a lot of omega-6 fatty acids. We'll bring the rack over here.
And this is the ceviche, tilapia ceviche. Look at how beautiful. We put the vegetables. It smells really good. It smells fresh. We cut the tilapia. We cook it for 25 minutes with lime juice. And we put cucumbers, tomatoes, cilantro, jalapeno, mix everything, and we're going to start plating. So excited. Some people in Mexico, they use mayo first. But for us, it's just like this. Yeah, beautiful. We put some slice of avocado. And we're going to use salsa negra. It's this. You can buy it in a Mexican store, just a little bit. And your favorite spicy sauce. I'm using Valentina. Trying to use it as more Mexican as I can. Woo! That thing is going to be spicy, Andrew. Andrew, you're going to love this. Now put the avocado. How beautiful. Wow. How beautiful. Okay, Andrew. You ready?
See.
See how, oops. Move this avocado here. Put the plate together.
Salud.
Salud. Delicioso. Very good. You can feel the freshness of the fish. It's soft, it's tender. The avocado, all the vegetables. It's a really good dish. You have to try it at home. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, and what is the thing, Andrew?
Cooking with family is an act of love and health.
Yeah, you did pretty good. So please, if you like this recipe, let me know in the comments, and see you guys next video.
Ciao.